So today we are here in Turab Expo in Pullman Hotel in Istanbul. So we are having a lot of visitors from all over the world, especially the Arabic countries. So we are making good networking here, and we are making a new relation with our visitors that we are proud to be welcoming here today as the Power International.
For exceptional services, you can get in contact with our experts 24/7. We are one call away from you.
Hello everyone, today it was our last day for exhibition and we welcome all our visitors and hope to see you in next exhibition.